So that's generally the sign of a correction coming, and I think we could come down another from here on this total two. This would be sort of everything but Bitcoin. Come down another, say, 10% or so. Not the end of the world, but to find support on there and bounce off, that would be a good thing. If we look at the total market cap as the sort of the example of this, it wasn't the price of Bitcoin. It was exactly $3 trillion dollars to the dollar almost, which indicates programmatic selling by the bigger institutions. And so we are also seeing a pullback here. It would make sense for a healthy market to come back and retest this as support. And in this case, that $3 trillion dollars level. And that would correspond, we're at 100K now, but a little bit more of a pullback on the broader market before pushing higher and pushing up to potentially that 4.8 to $6 trillion level. Those targets I've identified through the measured move on the bull flag breakout and also our Fibonacci studies. So jumping back to total three, also interesting. That's the total market cap minus Bitcoin and Ethereum. And wouldn't you know it, we push right up to the old cycle resistance, which at the top of the wick on the weekly time frame is exactly where we rejected this time. So it's not rocket surgery, as my old partner used to say, and these things, would likely find support a little bit lower and then push up higher. So my thesis is we'll continue to drift down into the end of the weekend, into sort of the Christmas time. Hopefully, get a bit of a Santa Claus rally, but and it's a big but. These things typically come back and then retest again, and there's some headwinds in front of us.